Good morning, everybody. Just a quick video to get one out here for today. This one is on smart hatching. So, been super busy. Hope you've all been super busy. Was at FabTech last week. That was pretty good. So, yeah, if I didn't see you there, I hope you had a great time. And to those who I've seen, um, I hope you all had a good time. And leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the FabTech show, post-COVID sort of, right? So anyway, let's get stuck into it. I'm going to create this video. So I've got a sheet metal component here. I'm going to add some text in here. So we'll just go, I'm going to select a font and we'll go, let's do this one here. What should we put in here? Oh, laser, right? So I close that and we'll make this bigger, 6, maybe 8. Change my pen color because that's what I'm using for etching, and I'm just going to put it right here on this, above that bend line, right? So we've got our etching there, and we should be right, good. Let's come in here, hatching, smart hatch, 135 there, and then we should be able to click on there, right? Actually, let's change this here, 0.032, right? And we just click, oops, you can see we've got that. I got this. And there. Now we've got our hatching, and we should be able to go into our laser, and we should be able to hit apply, and we've got all our tooling in there, right? So that is how you use hatching and smart hatching. Remember, if you're doing a text or something, you'll have to realize in situation that text, we call it here realize in situ. That way you know, it's not just like a block. So I hope that helps you guys out. I'm going to load a couple of videos up over the weekend, so be out looking for those next week. There's a couple of cool things I want to show you guys. So have a great day, and of course it's Friday, so have a great weekend. Cheers.